What's wrong?
It needs batteries.
It needs batteries?
Yes, it needs batteries.
Who are you going to call?
My mommy and my daddy.
Oh, yeah? You're Ari and your daddy? Where's Ari?
He's at school.
She's at school. Who's she with?
Oh, teacher.
Her teacher?
Yes.
Do you want to go to school?
Yes. What? I used to read and cream cone and I used in the milk.
You want an ice cream cone and some milk?
Yes.
Who did you call to tell that?
I need a torty shoes. I need a torty shoes and the milk and the water.
You need milk and water?
Yes.
And ice cream?
Yes.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
I don't think you've ever had a cone.
Yes.
You have?
I have it on my mouth.
In your mouth?
Eyes.
Can you say mouth for me? Can you make a funny face? Let's see your funny face. I can't see it. You're silly. You put your finger in your mouth? What's your favorite song?
That's the way you are.
That's the way you are? Just the way you are? Do you know who sings it? What are you going to say now, Greta?
It's not have two batteries.
It does not have batteries. Hey, what color are your fingers?
The battery stuck.
The battery's stuck?
The battery stuck. The battery stuck. The battery stuck. It needs now two batteries.
It needs new batteries?
Yes, it needs new batteries.
What color is your dress? Hey.
A girl doesn't have pink.
Your dress doesn't have pink?
And my dress has blue.
Your dress is blue?
The choice is that. The choice is that. The choice is that, Mommy. Where did that, Mommy?
Yeah, you found the blacks.
The red is stuck. The red is stuck.
It's stuck?
The rectangle is stuck.
The rectangle's stuck, yeah.
Okay, wait. Ow.
This one?
The red is?
It's a square.
It's a wide. It's a ball square. Look at the nice tower.
Look at the nice tower.
And In the rectangle, and a rectangle too, in the circle.
And a rectangle too, and a circle.
Good crackers.
Triangles.
And another rectangle, and wheels in a rectangle.
You're right. Do you ever stop talking? Oh! Oh boy.
I need a tissue box.
You need a tissue?
Yes.
Okay, we'll go find one.